Delta variant na po ang pinakamarami sa mga variant sa bansa na natukoy sa pinakahuling genome sequencing.
Sa pagbabakuna kontra COVID-19.
Kaya mas matagal ang viral shedding o panahong naglalabas ang virus ng isang taong infected.
Pilipinas na ang bagong epicenter ng COVID pandemic sa Southeast Asia.
The year 2021 has been a difficult year for the world. The pandemic, the sudden climate change, and personal challenges that cause hunger, depression, and death. But let's not forget, there are reasons for optimism after a difficult year. I started my 2021 on a business trip at Amang Pulo Cove in Morong Bataan. Hiked Mount Pinagbanderahan and Bantakay Falls in Atimonan, Quezon Province. Explored the white sand beach of Sepoc Island in Tingloy and dive into the crystal clear waters of Sombrero Island in Mabini Batangas. I also visited the Baluarte Watch Tower in Launion and few more places that I was not able to document at all. Despite this pandemic, I am blessed to enjoy the silent whispers of the mountains and the calmness of the seas. I love outdoor activities. It's like putting yourself out there, being vulnerable for the world to see. No time to overthink or pretend. You become just who you really are, and for me, there's nothing more rewarding than being happy when you are true to yourself. Then you will learn that you are only as strong as the weakest parts of you. Traveling allows me to discover not just myself, but also to see how beautiful our country and our people are. We are blessed with unique natural wonders and have thousands of beautiful islands. Travel is indeed one of the greatest human freedoms ever. So if there's one thing I wanted to do in the upcoming years, this is to explore more about my country and take you along with me.
When you're screaming out, but you can't make a sound, you know it's only a dream. When your back hits the ground and things turn around, you know it was only a dream. 'Cause nothing is as bad as you think, even when you're pulling at the seams. When the lights go out, you still got me. Oh, detours lead to barricades, and home is for your friends are fake. I'll be there to clear the way. And you know my love can hold you down. You know my love can hold you down. And you know my love can hold you down. You know my love can hold you down. When the roof caves in and you just can't win, you know it'll only get better, only get better. When you fall too far, can't go back to the start, you know it'll only get better, only get better. Nothing is as bad as you think, even when you're pulling at the seams. When the lights go out, you still got me. Detours lead to bed.
had numbers of swab tests and antigen tests to be able to travel, and I make sure to be vaccinated for added protection. I met a lot of wonderful people, and a massive thank you for being part of my pandemic years. We will survive this challenging year and will surely enjoy what 2022 has to offer. This is Mackoy Soliman, and I'm excited to see you next year.